Hi, I'm Robert.
And I'm May, and we're Student Content Chafers.
Now, recently you'll have heard the word sustainability thrown around a lot. It's not just about being eco-friendly, it's also about saving money. And as a student, well, we probably should be doing that.
So on that note, here are some 5 things that you can do to be more sustainable on campus. Tip number 5 will shock you.
If you have any junk lying around your house that you don't need anymore, but still has some life in it, then the junk buster scheme at the guilds might be helpful for you. You can go to one of the collection points dotted around Selly Oak, from just outside the Bournebrook Starbucks all the way up to Radabar Road, and you dump whatever it is that you don't need.
One way that I love to save time and money is by cooking healthy lunches at home and bringing it with me on campus when I have long days. Luckily, there's so many microwaves available on campus, like this one in the guild. There's one in the library lounge as well, and in the Franklin building.
If you're in the market for second-hand clothes, it can be tempting to grab them brand new, but if you've got a bit of extra time and you're shopping, why not look into a second-hand shop? There's plenty in places like Harborne, and there's the Red Brick Market in Digbeth that sell plenty of vintage and second-hand clothes. I myself have got this shirt for £10 from there, and I'm even managed to get a leather jacket for £30.
You can also find some good second-hand clothing from apps like Depop, Hazar, and Vinted, which allow you to browse through from the comfort of your own home and get it delivered straight to your door.
On a similar note, if you've got any clothes that need repairing, why not look into learning how to sew buttons and stitch holes? It saves you a lot of money in terms of new clothes, it saves a lot of the environment in terms of having to constantly replace the clothes, and it's generally also just a useful skill to have.
As an English and film student, it might surprise you to know that I read a lot of books, and instead of buying a new book every time I have a new interest, I normally just make use of the library resources by borrowing books or using websites like ProQuest.
If you want restaurant food, but you don't want to pay restaurant prices, then you can get apps like Too Good To Go, which help you reduce food waste and also save you a lot of money.
When I do want to treat myself to an addition to my library, I normally head just outside of Spar. We have an array of DVDs and books for just 50p that all go to charity. Thank you so much for watching this video.
What was your favourite tip? Put in the comments. If you also have any other tips, put that in the comments too.
And remember, find what works for you.
Sustainability is about doing it for other people, doing it for the money, and doing it for the environment. But you are other people too. Don't forget that.
That's actually really funny. I love that.
Bye!